Pocket pistols are a specialized category of firearms designed for ultimate concealability and ease of carry. Typically small in size, these pistols can be discreetly carried in a pocket, making them a popular choice for concealed carry permit holders. Often chambered in calibers like .380 ACP or smaller, they offer a balance between stopping power and compactness. While they might not have the range or firepower of larger handguns, their portability makes them ideal for personal protection in close-range scenarios. Advances in firearm technology have enhanced their reliability and accuracy, making modern pocket pistols a dependable option for self-defense. Their simplicity and lightweight design cater to those seeking a minimalist yet effective means of protection. So in order to help with the decision of selecting what is best for you, we have compiled a list of 7 best 9mm pocket pistols that includes all the features important for you to know. You can also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. Number 7. Kimber Micro 9. Kimber's Micro 9, joining the .380 Micro, brings the familiar small-scale 1911 ergonomics to a compact form. It features a single-action trigger, advanced safety mechanisms, and all-metal construction. The Micro 9's barrel and slide are crafted from stainless steel for moisture resistance, while its frame is made of aluminum for strength and durability. A key advantage of the Kimber Micro 9 is its single-action trigger, designed for a short and smooth pull, enhancing accuracy and user confidence. Its design elements, including the thumb safety, slide release, and magazine release, are all based on the classic 1911 architecture. Standard features of the Micro 9 include a lowered and flared ejection port for reliable ejection and a beveled magazine well for quick and efficient loading. The pistol is equipped with durable steel sights set in machine dovetails. Perfect for individuals with smaller hands or those seeking mild recoil without sacrificing power for concealed carry or home protection, the Micro 9 is a versatile choice for various needs. Above all, it embodies Kimber's unmatched quality, reliability, and performance. Number 6. Glock G43. In the realm of pocket-sized concealed carry firearms, the Glock 43 distinguishes itself as a standout choice. This semi-automatic single-stack subcompact pistol has garnered widespread acclaim among gun enthusiasts, security professionals, and everyday carriers for its straightforward design, dependability, and compact size. The Glock 43 is the epitome of practicality and efficiency, all packed into a streamlined form. It offers a superior grip, high safety standards, and the renowned Glock reliability that users have come to trust. Every element of the Glock 43 is crafted with the intent of making it a dependable everyday carry weapon. Its lightweight and slender profile are indicative of Glock's dedication to functionality and ergonomic design. Known for their consistent performance, Glock handguns, and the Glock 43 in particular, maintain their reliability in various conditions. Its simple design and ease of disassembly make maintenance a breeze. The internal components of the Glock 43 are built to withstand tough conditions, ensuring its steadfast functionality when it matters most. This durability cements the Glock 43's position as a reliable choice for those who need a dependable concealed carry firearm. Number 5. Beretta 3032 Tomcat. Beretta's small-frame pistols, exemplified by the 3032 Tomcat Inox, have been designed from the outset with concealed carry as a priority. The Tomcat features a sleek and snag-free design, ensuring it slides effortlessly in and out of holsters, pockets, or belly bands. This pistol, with its retro allure, is built with a stainless steel slide and a forged aluminum frame. Compact in dimensions, the 3032 Tomcat has a height of 3.7 inches and a length of 4.92 inches. Despite its diminutive size, it remarkably houses a 7+1 round capacity in a .32 ACP single-stack magazine that is easy to load. A key attribute of the Tomcat is its tip-up or tilting barrel design, an excellent feature for those with limited hand strength. The durable stainless steel finish enhances the resilience of this pistol. With its capability to function both double and single action, the Tomcat is an excellent choice for deep concealment or as an additional backup handgun, providing reliability and discretion in a small package. Number 4. FN503. The FN503, a compact 9mm pistol designed for concealed carry, is engineered to blend user-friendly features with the proven reliability of a battle-tested firearm, making it one of the most robust everyday carry handguns available. In terms of size, the FN503 features a 3.1-inch barrel and an overall length of 5.9 inches. Its height measures 4.6 inches with a flush-fit magazine, and it has a width of 1.1 inches across the controls. Weighing in at 23.5 ounces, with a loaded chamber and a full 6-round magazine, the FN503 is notable for its remarkable reliability. This striker-fired polymer-framed pistol takes its cues from the durable and high-performing FN509 series, adopting these attributes into a more compact, single-stack format. The outcome is a firearm that is both slender and efficient, securing its position as the smallest handgun in FN's lineup. Number 3. Ruger LCP Max. If concealment is a key factor in choosing a concealed carry firearm, the Ruger LCP Max is a superb choice. Remarkably compact, it's less than an inch thick, weighs a mere 10.6 ounces, and has dimensions of 5.17 inches in length and 4.12 inches in height. Despite its small size, it impressively offers a 13-round capacity, only slightly thicker than the original single-stack model. The LCP Max is not only user-friendly and reliable, but also ideally sized for pocket carry. With modern advancements in ammunition, this high-capacity .380 pistol, like the LCP Max, is a potent option for concealed carry defense. Effective up to about 15 yards, the LCP Max particularly shines in close-range scenarios. Its slide is designed with cocking ears, front and rear grasping grooves, and an external extractor, while the top edges and muzzle are beveled for seamless concealment and drawing. The 2.8-inch barrel, similar to the LCP and LCP2 models, is finished in black with a crown muzzle, a full-length recoil guide rod and dual-view ports on the chamber serving as loaded chamber indicators enhance its functionality. The LCP Max utilizes a recoil autoloader mechanism, making it a reliable and practical choice for everyday carry. Number 2. Springfield Hellcat OSP. The Springfield Hellcat Pro is a newly introduced compact pistol that perfectly blends concealability, capacity, and exceptional performance. Chambered in 9mm, it impresses with a 15+1 capacity, all while maintaining a smaller footprint than its class competitors. This optics-ready firearm features an accessory rail, combining the ease of everyday carry with the robustness of a full-size pistol. Equipped with a 3.7-inch hammer-forged barrel, the Hellcat Pro enhances ballistics and downrange efficiency, while also being durable. It successfully marries high magazine capacity with compactness, offering a 15+1 capacity with flush-mounted magazines, reversible magazine catch, and a loaded chamber indicator. The pistol comes with 2 quality magazines, featuring a resilient melanite finish, an ample accessory rail, and cocking serrations on the slides front and back. In the subcompact category, the Hellcat Pro OSP shines with its dependability and high performance, establishing itself as an excellent option for concealed carry. The Springfield Hellcat OSP Micro Compact 9mm is the epitome of a personal protection pistol, boasting aggressive grip texturing, a precise trigger, and the option for extended 13-round magazines, all contributing to its standout performance and designation as a top-tier firearm. Sig Sauer P238. The Sig Sauer P238, a small .380 ACP caliber pistol, draws inspiration from the iconic 1911 design and bears similarities to the Colt Mustang. This compact pistol, weighing about 15 ounces with a total length of 5.5 inches and a 2.7-inch barrel, offers comfortable portability for carry. Its magazine holds either 6+1 or 7+1 rounds, suitable for its micro-compact dimensions. The P238 comes in various models, each featuring a manual safety akin to the 1911, which may necessitate some practice for new users. Its gentle shooting experience and ease of handling are due to the .380 ACP's mild recoil. This pistol stands out with options for night sights, high-quality stainless steel magazines, and a distinctive polymer trigger. Celebrated for its excellent craftsmanship, the P238 upholds Sig Sauer's reputation for producing high-quality firearms, presenting an ideal choice for those who favor the classic 1911 style in a smaller, more manageable size. Pocket pistols represent an ideal blend of concealability, ease of use, and self-defense capability. They cater to those seeking a discreet, lightweight, and reliable firearm for personal protection. Despite their compact size, modern pocket pistols are designed to offer dependable performance, making them a practical choice for everyday carry. However, getting the best pocket pistols is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.